So if you follow this pattern that I've enumerated so far so good, you will understand that the sky is the limit, and you can always live your dream. And how do you live your dream is by investing. You can live a life of your dream. A lot of us dream every day, and that dream we can bring it up to reality when we plan for the future. And I've explained over and over again that we can plan for the future, and you can have a very beautiful future where you can go on vacation, on traveling, enjoying yourself, relaxing. You can enjoy your health. You don't need to be going to the hospital now and then because you are working too hard, even at old age when you are supposed to retire. And I've mentioned that for you to be able to achieve this thing in life, you need to learn to save at the age of 20 years. At the age of 20 years, then you save for the next 10, 20 years. And I can bet you that you can never regret this action. Now, apart from that, you can teach your children this simple principle on how to start to learn how to save at the tender age. A lot of them, you give them this, you give them that. They use it for unnecessary things, buying things that are not necessary. Why do you have to buy a phone of 500,000, 600,000, 700,000 naira phone for what? Most especially our ladies nowadays, you go for all those expensive things. You've forgotten that there will be a time that money will not be there again. There will be a time you'll be tired, you'll be weak. Why don't you invest that money into something that can make your life profitable, that can make your life meaningful, where you can always be grateful that you are alive. You don't need to live a depressive life. You don't need to live a life of regret. That I wish I could have made this decision at that time, but I didn't make that. You need to live a life of regret. So I'll repeat those points I've mentioned so far. You must develop a mindset. You must create a financial base. You must learn to lead your money. You must also learn to do what we call learn how to spend smartly. And you also want to learn how to earn money. And apart from that, you also need to plan for the future. So on this note, I'm going to end my lecture on how to become rich, the secret to wealth. And like I said, it is possible if you adopt these principles and method and stick with our given so far. You can be one of those people that will never live a life of regret, where you will be depressive and be thinking every day and be asking God, why did He create you? God did not create you to suffer. God created you to live a meaningful life. So stop living extravagantly. Stop living an expensive life, because at the end of the day, those things might not be there again. They may not be there when you need them because you are good getting older now. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, my name once again is David Oni, and my YouTube channel is David Oni. So just subscribe, just click on that subscription button and also leave a comment on how to serve you better. And apart from that, you can click on that notification so that when I come across lectures in the future, when I do my lectures, you'll be one of the people that would be the first person to watch those lectures. You agree with me that this lecture has been beneficial, it has been useful, it has been building a lot of people, it has helped a lot of our students in the higher institutions, and those that are also attempt to go to school. Until we meet next time. When I come next time, I'm going to discuss about those complaints that are engaged in asset management system, that they can manage the asset for you. You don't need to stress yourself. Just put your money there, and your money will be working for you. And you can be assured at the end of the year, you can have a 10% interest on those money that you have saved into it. And apart from that, you can be saving those money every month, for you to be able to achieve your whims and caprices, to be able to achieve your dream. So till we meet next time, I remain your humble servant, David Onewis. Thank you so much for coming across this message, and thank you for watching my video. For those of you that have not subscribed, please go and subscribe now. Thank you so much. Till we meet next time. God bless you. Bye bye.